This sofa I'm sitting on is designed for Bernard Design, a very beautiful company from the States. The director of this company, Jerry Helling, asked me and Joost van Blijswijk to work together on this project. Normally we never really work together, only sometimes we exhibit together because we have very different works and designs. But this was a fun project and interesting. So we started blank, and as you can see, it's also a different result than the rest of my work. We started with designing the fabrics, really putting layers over each other. Joost would be working in the workshop, making things out of wood. I would go over it with a spray can or go over it in another layer in the computer. So we were really kind of working apart together and putting literally different layers on top of each other. And then the result is all those different patterns that would never have existed when I would have designed it on my own. Which I think is an interesting thing to see what comes out when you work together. And the sofa was designed accordingly because we wanted to have something which is very light, not too massive, which is in between a chaise and a bench, and which is there mainly to support the different fabrics, because this is a sofa where you can customize everything as a client. You can say, I want this pillow in this pattern, I want that pillow in that pattern with another color. So it's also a totally new logistic system for Bernard Design. So that's the reason, this collaboration, and also because this is a very industrial product, that it looks maybe a bit different than my other works. I think when you have a very industrial product, it should be very functional, it should be made very well, it should sit well, be ergonomic, and the textile should also be very durable and tested. So there is this mix of the workshop, of experimenting, together with the industrial part of it. So that's a kind of new direction maybe.